Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Meta AI option not showing on Instagram. So let's see the step. So first of all, just go back to home screen and then just open Play Store. Now click on search. Now search for Instagram and update your Instagram if it available on Play Store. Now go back to home screen. Now tap and hold Instagram. Click on I button. Scroll down. Click on storage. Now click on clear cache. Go back. Now click on force stop. Now click on OK. Now go back to home screen. Normally reset your phone. Just reset your phone. After all this process, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.